Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn off Viber message notifications in your notification bar. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, look at the bottom of your screen and tap on More. This will take you to additional settings and options within the app where you can customize your Viber experience. Once you're there, tap on Settings. This is where all your Viber configurations are stored, including privacy options, account settings, and notification preferences. Now within the Settings menu, tap on Notifications. This section controls how Viber alerts you about new messages, calls, and other activity. It's essential for managing what information appears on your lock screen and notification bar. Then you'll see an option that says Show Message Preview. This is the setting that determines whether the actual content of your messages appears in your notifications. When it's enabled, anyone who glances at your phone can read your incoming messages directly from the notification bar. Tap on it to uncheck the radio button. By doing this, you're disabling message previews, which means your notifications will still appear, but the message content itself will remain hidden until you open the app. This adds an extra layer of privacy to your conversations. And that's it. You've successfully turned off message previews in your Viber notification bar, so your messages will stay private even when notifications come through. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.